In this video, I'm going to be sharing a few different methods that'll help you stop trading your time for money. Hey, what's going on, you guys? Benjamin here with Motivational Marketer, and in this video, I'm going to be talking about a few different methods that you can use so you can stop trading your time for money. Now, before I get into this video, I just want to first welcome you guys to my channel, and if this is your first time here and you're interested in learning different methods when it comes to making money online, then I invite you to subscribe and also hit the bell icon so you'll be notified when I upload new videos. Now, if you're somebody who's tired of trading your time for money, basically what I'm talking about is creating a passive income for yourself. Now, when it comes to earning income, there's two different ways that you can do it. First, there's an active income, meaning you're working at a job, you're providing a service, and you're basically trading your time for money, and then you're getting paid at the end of the week or every other week. And then there's a passive income. Now, a passive income is where you create something that has the potential to earn you a residual income. So in this video, I'm going to be focusing on a few different methods to generate a passive income online. Okay, so let me talk about the first method that you can use to create a passive income. And that's going to be selling an online course. So if you have a certain knowledge or a specific skill that you know people would be willing to pay money to learn, then you can definitely make money by selling an online course. If you can effectively teach this skill to somebody, they're going to be willing to pay you for it. We live in a day and age where you don't have to spend thousands of dollars sitting in a classroom learning a new skill. You can just go to the internet and look for any type of skill that you're trying to learn. Now, if you're knowledgeable in a specific area, a great platform that you can host an online course is a website called Teachable. Now, the way that it works is that you're going to have to first record your online course. So since it's going to be online, you're going to have to get in front of the camera and present, talk about whatever it is that you're going to be teaching. Or if you're somebody who's afraid to be on camera, another option that you can do is you can record your computer screen and just do a voiceover about explaining what you're going to be teaching people. Now, once you have your course recorded, you're going to go to that platform that I mentioned, Teachable, and you're going to upload your course. You're going to sign up, you're going to create a profile, and then you upload your course, and when people start to enroll into your course, that's when you make money. Now, the cool thing about Teachable is that you set the price that you want to charge people to enroll into your course. So I just want to give you guys a heads up. If you choose to go with Teachable, they do charge you a transaction fee every time somebody enrolls into your course. This is pretty standard across all teaching platforms. Now, how much they charge you depends on what plan that you choose to go with. So I highly recommend checking out Teachable if you're somebody who's knowledgeable in a certain skill and you're interested in teaching other people how to do something new. Now, the second method is going to be by selling stock images. Now, a great website that you can do this is called Shutterstock. Now, basically, if you're somebody who likes to take photographs or high quality images, this is a great way to earn a passive income. You don't necessarily have to have access to a DSLR camera or a mirrorless camera. A lot of people are taking high quality photos on the newer smartphones nowadays. Now, the way that this works is you're going to take high quality images or photos of things like nature, sports, people, businesses, and then you're going to go to that platform, Shutterstock, and you're going to sign up to become a contributor. You're going to upload your content on the platform, and whenever somebody downloads your content, then you earn what's called royalties. So basically, when somebody sees your content, your picture, it's going to have watermarks over it. And if they want to use your picture without the watermarks, they're going to have to pay for the rights to use your photo. Now, what's also cool about Shutterstock is that it's not only limited to photographs. You can upload your own vector art, stock music, and stock footage. So if you can provide any of this type of content, maybe this might be a good option for you to go with to start earning a passive income. Okay, so let me move on to the next method. So this is going to be by having a membership website. So this is going to be for people who are more tech savvy and who know how pretty much to navigate around building a website. So membership website. So let's say that you have a following or you have a business or a brand and you charge people a monthly fee to be a member of your website. Now, a great example of this is a website called Legendary Marketer. This is an online learning platform that teaches people how to become better marketers to market their businesses. This platform has all types of different training when it comes to running Facebook ads, YouTube ads, Instagram ads, Google ads. It teaches you things like how to create landing pages, how to build a sales funnel for your business. It's an awesome platform that teaches people how to market their business like a professional. Now, if you guys are interested in something like that, I'll leave a link in the description of the video where you can get started. Now, the last method that I want to talk about is called affiliate marketing. So you probably heard about affiliate marketing It seems like everybody, damn, it seems like everybody is using affiliate marketing to earn money online nowadays. But basically, affiliate marketing is where you're promoting somebody else's product online through a specific link that's coded directly to you. Now, let's say, for example, I'm promoting a pair of headphones. Now, I'm talking about all the features and benefits of these specific headphones. I'm talking about the price, the quality of them. Now, after I talk about the pros and cons and all the features about these specific headphones, what I can do is just simply say, hey, if you're interested in buying these headphones for yourself, I'll leave a link in the description of this video where you can get them. And that's going to be my affiliate link. So if somebody clicks on that link and they purchase those headphones through my link, then I would earn a commission. So that's basically how affiliate marketing works. Now, this is a great way to earn a passive income because, like I just mentioned, if I were to create a video talking about the benefits of these headphones, that video is going to stay up on YouTube until I delete it or it gets taken down. So people who see that video 6 months later, a year later, 2 years later, they might purchase those headphones through my affiliate link. So those are the methods that you can use to stop trading your time for money. Now, one thing that I want to talk about when it comes to earning a passive income is that most people, they get the wrong idea about it. They think that it's just free money. But in order for you to start earning a passive income, you're going to have to put in the work up front so that you can see the reward later on, and that can possibly pay you over and over again. Now, just because you created something that can earn you a passive income, that doesn't mean that you can just sit back and relax and watch the money start rolling in, because it usually doesn't work like that. In order for you to earn a passive income, you have to be active. Now, you're probably thinking like, what do you mean by that? What I mean is that whatever method that you choose to go with to earn you a passive income, you're going to have to be actively promoting it. Let's say, for example, that I created an online course. I wouldn't just sit back and say, okay, now I can start watching the money rolling in. Because if I'm not actively promoting my online course, nobody is going to know that I created an online course. So how are they going to enroll into it? Now, in order for me to start earning a passive income from my online course, I would have to upload YouTube videos where I'm creating videos about the topic around my online course. I would have to create Facebook posts or Instagram posts doing the same thing. Or maybe create a blog post, which is going to be talking about the topic or a subject around my online course. And then once I do this, I would just simply give a call to action by letting people know, hey, if you're interested in learning more, I have an online course that I'm selling. Click this link to get started. And just have a link that's going to direct people to buy my online course. So that's what I mean by you have to be active in order to start earning a passive income with whatever method that you choose to go with. Well, that's basically all I wanted to talk about in this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and hopefully it gave you a few ideas so you can stop trading your time for money. Now, if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're somebody who's interested in getting started with your own online business, but you have no idea where to get started, check out the first link in the top of the description. Well, that's pretty much it for this video. So with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one.